Reuters, Japan Euro trademark S SoftBank Group Corp, 9984.t, will invest $2.25 billion in General Motors COA Euro trademark S, GM.N, autonomous vehicle unit, Cruise, the companies said on Thursday, announcing a deal that validates the venerable Detroit automaker a Euro trademark S leadership in self-driving cars and sent GM shares up 10%. The partnership with SoftBank Euro trademark S $100 billion Vision Fund, one of the largest investments to date in self-driving technology, will help GM fund wide-scale deployment of self-driving cars, GM told analysts on Thursday. The partnership values Cruise, bought by GM 2 years ago for an estimated $1 billion, at $11.5 billion. GM is competing with technology companies and other car makers to produce self-driving cars that are expected to revolutionize the way people use vehicles and fundamentally change the business model of building and selling them. GM and Alphabet Inc. A Euro trademark S, GOOGLO, Waymo are often cited as the two top contenders. GM Chief Executive Officer Mary Barra said the company is still a Euro or on track a Euro to begin deploying its Cruise AVS in commercial ride-sharing fleets in 2019. Barra said GM still plans to launch its own ride and delivery services business, but said it might also explore a Euro or other opportunity as a Euro with some of the companies that SoftBank has funded, including Uber, Didi, Ola and Grab. Shares of GM rose 10.7% to $41.88 in morning trade. GM was criticized initially for paying too much for Cruise, but the share jump on Thursday was the largest one-day gain in GM stock since the company relisted after its 2009 bankruptcy. SoftBank also has invested billions of dollars in a Euro a Euro of transportation-related startups, including many involved in some aspect of self-driving technology. GM will also invest $1.1 billion in the unit after the deal closes, the company said. SoftBank Vision Fund will own a 19.6% stake in GM Cruise once the transaction is completed, and will hold one of 6 seats on the company Euro trademark S board. Its investment will be held in a preferred security that can be converted to GM common stock after 7 years. GM said it would break out reporting on GM Cruise financials as a standalone segment, starting in the second quarter. The automaker said it expects to spend about $1 billion this year and next on self-driving vehicle development and commercialization. The SoftBank investment comes at a time when rivals Tesla Inc., TSLAO, Alphabet Euro trademark S Waymo and Uber Technologies Inc. Uber.ol are stepping up efforts to gain the first-mover advantage in the autonomous vehicle market. SoftBank will take a stake in a newly created unit, GM Cruise Holdings, whose assets include Cruise Automation, the self-driving vehicle unit based in San Francisco, and Strobe, a small self-driving sensor developer that Cruise acquired last year. GM President Dan Ammann said GM Cruise also would oversee monetization of data generated by the company Euro trademark S self-driving vehicles, which he has said could provide greater margins than GM Euro trademark S traditional business of buying and selling cars.